So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your file explorer is crashing again and again. So you can easily fix that just by resetting it using the task manager. Now in order to do that, just simply right click on the start menu, click on task manager right there. Now here you simply need to go to this option of startup apps, and here if you're not able to find the file explorer here, just simply go to processor again, and here you need to search for Windows Explorer, or just simply search for Explorer, and you'll see the explorer right there. Now just simply expand this window, or just simply right click on this window, and here you'll see this option of restart. What it does is simply flickers your screen and restart the overall Windows Explorer, so that it will start fresh, and if it is causing any problem, it will definitely gonna solve the problem as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.